Ah, there it is. Ta-da! And look at that, I can read it from a long way away too. All right, let me hit some of the highlights, and I'll tell you right now that I already like it. So, first of all, 2 screens, which is really nice for 2 reasons. Number one, no matter where you are in the pool, you can probably see the temperature, or when you're walking around the pool, you can probably see the temperature. That's helpful. Solar power on top. It does charge a AAA battery, but it's what they call a fixed AAA battery, so you don't replace this one ever. It just stays inside, and the solar power will work on that. The thing feels, this is probably the biggest highlight, it just feels solid. Like, it doesn't weigh a whole lot, but it weighs a little bit more than I thought it might, which is actually a good thing. This plastic feels like you're holding like a PVC pipe. So it's pretty thick, just feels good. The whole thing's waterproof, obviously. Right there's a little covered insulated switch that you can go between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit is the default. But all in all, it sits about, 1.5 inches above the water line, which is cool. And then the rest of it goes down about 7 inches. It does come with a string, so you can tie it up where you want to tie it up. Let me walk over here and show it to you from afar. I like the fact that it just kind of hides off to the side. You can just float it, but the problem if you just float it, it ends up in my skimmer a lot of times, and that's not ideal. So again, from a distance, you can see the temperature reading just as long as your eyes are good and it's turned your direction. And with 2 screens, it's helpful. What else can I tell you? My pool equipment actually tells me that the pool is 90 degrees right now. And this one is fluctuating between 87 and 88. And it's been consistently about 2 degrees off. Now here's the deal. Don't get bothered by that. Number one, who's to say my pool equipment's right? I need a 3rd thermometer out here to really test it and see which one's right. But let's just say that the pool equipment is right. I just know I need to add 2 degrees. So if I come out here and it says 88, I know it's 90. No big deal. You just want it to be consistent. And so far it's been very, very consistent day in and day out. All right, this was sent to me for a review. This is my review. It was sent to me, but it was, I'm not getting paid for it. So the review is unadulterated and my actual thoughts. So anyway, hope it helps. It's a pretty cool little thermometer. And I'd just say that probably the biggest takeaway is 2 screens, solar powered, and just maybe like heavier duty than the normal thermometer. A lot of the thermometers out there, they fill up with water and they kind of sink and they float at the very tip top of it. They're fine, but they kind of feel cheap. And this feels quite a bit denser. So I like it. All right, hope that helps. It's a good thermometer.